Sangeeta ji, you have excelled in your business in a male, as you said, in a male-dominated bastion, the business of import-export of commodities.
Right.
So, like, what challenges were you facing then? And now, talking from the prism of what it means to be 50 young, what kind of outlook do you have now?
I started at 40.
Okay.
I'm a chartered accountant by profession. Gave up everything after I got married to be a homemaker. And then for 15 years I was like, busy looking after husband, family and everything. And then suddenly how she is saying, एक एकदम emptiness सा हो जाता है कि नहीं, we have to do something, we have to give back and to the society, or we have to do something for ourselves. That's when I started my business. Initially, because my business, I work in agro commodities, it's a totally male-dominated industry all over the world.
आज तो कुछ माहौल अलग है आज.
आज तो I'm very comfortable.
I mean, right now, I think Nish, me, and a couple of us would say it's not a male-dominated.
But
yeah.
When I started in this industry, everybody across the world say, लड़की है, क्या करेगी? भाग जाएगी. So it was very difficult to get started.
I'm sorry to cut you, but भाग जाएगी means?
भाग जाएगी means छोड़ देगी ना business.
Oh, okay. She wants
business छोड़, business छोड़ देगी.
I'm sorry, I get yours.
So I mean, in a business, this thing they would say she won't continue. So why would you want to do business with her? Because it's in import-export. You do a business deal. By the time the cargo arrives, it's maybe 4 months, 3 months. And if you have a long-term deal, it may be 6 months. 6 महीना में रहूँगी नहीं रहूँगी पता नहीं. So nobody wanted to work with me. And at that point of time, I got support from North America. Probably men over there were more comfortable, or they could believe in a woman.
No, they must have liked because you're so beautiful.
No, at that time we didn't have video chatting, but thank you. So yeah, it was very tough. I have been in this business now for almost 10 years, a little more. Won't want to give you the exact numbers, but it's been a beautiful journey. Once I got started, always the beginning is tough. That first step is tough. But एक बार आपने शुरू कर दिया, फिर वो एक से एक लोग मिलते रहते हैं और कारोबार चल जाता है. You reach where you want to go. Basically, I think it's basically started, and one of the first person I had gone to meet, he said, Sangeeta, you're in this business. Do you think it's going to be easy to buy and sell? To sell? I said, how? He said, look, ma'am, you will have to knock 1,000 doors 1,000 times, and people may say no to you 1,000 times, and you will still have to keep the patience to try again. Only if you have that patience, then come into this business, otherwise find something else for you. So I think that's what is important, the tenacity to continue, to follow your dream, to kind of just go. वो एक ना जुनून सा होना चाहिए कि हाँ हमें पहुँचना है. And I think the most beautiful part about being 50 young is that you don't care दुनिया क्या बोलेगी.
Wow!
I can look into the mirror and I can see that I have been putting on weight. I can see कि wrinkles आ गए हैं. It would have bothered me, 20 years ago. But today I'm happy और कोई नहीं तो मैं one of the beautiful ladies over here is at least saying कि you're pretty.
I was about to say change your mirror.
Rajan ji is waiting. अब मुझे बोलना है. And he told me I have a secret, but I'll tell only on stage. So what's the secret?
My secret is very simple.
You're 45. Okay.
I'm a happy person. I've been happy since I remember. this happiness, I'm very thankful. I have it every day. I've been doing my business. I have a business, furnishing business in New Bombay. And since I remember, I have a passion for this. I enjoy doing what I'm doing. There are stories where people say they had a tough time, this, that. Of course, I had them too. But all those are forgotten. And I'm extremely happy. I keep myself happy and busy. I think that is the secret of being happy.
Being busy.
Being busy.
Right.
I want to be confident.
Renati wants to respond.
See, you can change your furnishings every day. Even if I could do that, even I'll be happy.
Yes, but this I will tell you, the ones that we put in our home, are the ones which were made wrongly for somebody maybe. And then my mother or my wife says, "Acha, theek hai, ye 6 parda idhar laga dena."
So basically today you're saying that you excel in making right of what is wrong.
You read that now for me.
And I want to tell you also something. You said, no, you are worked in a male-dominated work. Well, I studied in a college where there were 2 girls and all guys. But let me tell you, I had a blast. Every class I used to throw my pencil down and there would be 10 guys running.
I'm sure.
Poonam ji, we've been waiting to hear from you. The mic has not come to you yet.
That's fine.
So the question I would like to ask you is that, between your former corporate life and now you're doing life as a homemaker, and say the way you looked at life 20 years back and the way you look at it now, what does it mean to be 50 young to you?
For me, I have enjoyed both the phases of my life. Today I stand at golden plus 4, that is what I call myself.
Okay.
I don't say I'm 54, sorry. I'm golden plus 4. I have worked in a corporate organization. I have had a dream to always teach the children and give back to society in some way or the other. That dream of mine is fulfilled now and I'm very happy about it. So I look forward to every day with enthusiasm because I learn from the children. I
Right.
learn and I give, but I learn a lot from them. There's so much they teach me.
Yes. So if I were to continue with this and ask you top 3 words that come to your mind when we say the word 50 young, top 3 words.
Positivity,
Okay.
learning, and being happy.
Positivity, learning, and being happy. Menkaji, what if we ask you this? And we're going to open the questions on the floor, but after we've just done a couple of rounds. Yeah. Top 3 things that come to your mind when you think 50 young. 50 young or 50s, I mean it's not young.
First, that 50 young means, young word is itself the meaning that I am young.
Right.
Every time we are saying, oh, what is the age? 50 years old.
50 young, the channel dedicated to us for folks 50 plus and forever young. Subscribe to 50 young today.
The only problem that I'm having is that my children are not listening to me and not getting married and getting out of my house.